Hey, welcome into the Real Estate Investing Done Right YouTube channel, where we got my co-host Jackson Cruz. Jackson, what you gonna say? Make sure you like and subscribe.
Thank you, like and subscribe.
Hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Definitely, if you like anything real estate investing, anything entrepreneurship, we're talking about business, anything latest topics as far as market updates. Come on, youngster. Anything like that. Today's topic for discussion is going to be San Antonio real estate market. He's trying to mock everything I say. But today's topic is going to be real estate market analysis from San Antonio, and we want to bring the data right to you. So let's jump into it. Hey, Jackson, tell them, make sure they like and subscribe.
Yeah, thank you, like and subscribe.
There we go. All right, let's get to it. So let's take a look at the San Antonio numbers and exactly what they say. Obviously, I've always bring you guys a map, and let's take a look at it. We got July 2018, July 2019, July 2020. Let's take a look at all these numbers and let you know exactly where the real estate market is at. So we got total month sales. Obviously, in July of 18, we got 3,200. The next year it increased almost to 3,400, and now we're at 4,231. That is absolutely insane. That's a 25% increase. And we talk about average price, man. Appreciation has been key for San Antonio, right? Almost 15 grand every year. From this time to last year, almost 20 grand. Almost 26,000, right? That is very, very huge. If you bought the house just last year, if you put it on the market right now, you obviously got enough money to actually sell it with a realtor, like automatic appreciation. So buying and holding real estate is the perfect play. It's the perfect play. So that's great. So let's dive deep into median price. Median price is 230. Right now it is 260, a 9% increase from just 2018 to 2020 days on market. This is the only one that got a decrease on it, right? So it went from 49 days to 53 days, now to 57 days. But ultimately, it doesn't matter if you're getting more bang for your buck as far as dollar amount. So who cares if I wait an extra 10 days, 8 days in order to get exactly what I'm looking to get out of it, another $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. That is perfectly okay with me, and I'm pretty sure perfectly okay with any other investor out there. So that's basically the breakdown of the San Antonio real estate market analysis, and let's move right along. Okay, you guys, so with that being said, we just broke down the market. Let me know if you want to shout out on my next video. Next time I do it, let me know exactly where you're from. That way I can shout out and do a market analysis in your particular city. I would love to do that. So definitely let me know where you're coming from. That way I can update you on your current market, see if it's a great time to buy. But if it's anything like anything in Texas, it's probably a hot market. So definitely let me know where you're from, and if you do so, I'll definitely shout you out in my next market analysis. So what you say? Tell them, make sure they like and subscribe.
Thank you, like and subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.